Smart lights sometimes fail to respond due to network instability, such as Wi-Fi issues with newer 6E or 7 routers. App glitches from version mismatches can also cause problems. Power supply issues like low voltage may prevent lights from working. Voice command failures occur due to accents or background noise. While Matter protocol adoption has improved connectivity in recent years, these issues can still happen. Power cycling is a fundamental fix for unresponsive smart lights. Start by unplugging your smart lights from their power sources. Next, unplug your Google Home device, such as a Nest Hub or Mini, from its power source. Wait exactly 30 seconds to allow the devices to fully reset. Finally, plug both devices back in. This simple reset often resolves connectivity problems. This step works by clearing temporary glitches and re-establishing device connections. Fundamental fix number 2 involves reinstalling the Google Home app. First, delete the Google Home app from your phone or tablet. Then, re-download and reinstall it from the App Store. Finally, log back in with your Google account. This ensures you have the latest version, v3.8, as of Q4 2025, and clears any corrupted data. Fundamental fix number 3, reset your network connection. Start by restarting your Wi-Fi router to clear any temporary network issues. Next, ensure your smart lights are connected to the correct Wi-Fi band. Use 2.4 GHz for older devices and 5 GHz for newer ones. Finally, remember that a stable internet connection is crucial for smart device communication in your home network. Matter protocol is the key to seamless integration for your smart home devices. Introduced in 2022 and fully supported by Google since 2024, Matter allows devices from different manufacturers to communicate without brand-specific apps or compatibility issues. The Matter ecosystem includes major platforms like Google Home, Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, and others such as Philips Hue and IKEA. This standardization reduces the not responding problems by creating a unified communication protocol. By 2025, 85% of new smart lights support Matter, making them compatible with Google Home and other systems. This means you can control Philips Hue bulbs through Google Assistant alongside Nest devices without switching between apps. If your devices support Matter, pair them correctly in the Google Home app by selecting the Matter option during setup. This creates a stable connection that self-heals network issues automatically. Finally, regularly check for firmware updates through the Google Home app or manufacturer apps. These updates ensure your devices remain compatible with the latest Matter standards and fix any known issues. If your Google Home lights aren't responding to voice commands, it could be due to poor voice recognition or background noise. To fix this, retrain your Google Assistant. First, open the Google Home app and go to Settings. Then navigate to Google Assistant and select Hey Google and Voice Match. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the voice training process. Also, try to minimize background noise when giving commands to improve recognition. For advanced diagnostics, use the Test Device feature in the Google Home app to check for connection problems. This feature runs automated tests to identify issues with your smart lights. You can also use third-party network scanning tools like Fing to identify network issues affecting your smart lights. Fing helps scan your home network and detect connectivity problems. Finally, ensure all your devices are online and properly configured in the Google Home app. Check the device list to confirm connections and settings. The smart home lighting sector is evolving towards AI-driven automation. Google's updates now incorporate machine learning to predict failures and alert users to firmware updates before outages occur. Expect more automated troubleshooting features in the future, reducing reliance on manual fixes.